Let's start by talking about the Hostinger website builder. Honestly, I really like it, and I think it's better than most people expect. And quick note, if you want a full step-by-step walkthrough on this, I've made a dedicated tutorial about it, and I'll link that in the description as well. So the way this works is simple. You're still buying hosting through Hostinger, but during the onboarding setup, instead of choosing WordPress, you'd choose the Hostinger website builder. And one big advantage here is cost. Compared to other website builders like Wix or Squarespace, Hostinger's website builder is usually much cheaper, and you can build multiple websites under one plan instead of paying for a separate subscription for every single website. On the premium hosting plan, you can build up to 3 websites, Business can handle up to 50, and Cloud Startup can go up to 100. Once you're in, you can start from scratch, use their AI builder, or pick a pre-made template. The AI option is surprisingly good if you're detailed with your prompt, and you can go from nothing to a functioning website in just a few minutes. And the templates already look clean and professional, so they're a great starting point if you want something polished fast. Where this builder really stands out is the editor. It's a grid-based drag-and-drop layout, kind of like Squarespace, so you have a lot more freedom than most website builders in this price range. You can create as many pages as you want, drag in all sorts of elements, and build something that looks modern and professional. So for a small business website, portfolio, landing page, or really any informational site, I think Hostinger's website builder is a great option. Hostinger does offer e-commerce features here, but for e-commerce specifically, I wouldn't recommend using the website builder. If you're building a real store and you care about scaling, I'd go with WordPress and WooCommerce, or something else like Shopify, since those are more proven options. Outside of e-commerce, the workflow is smooth, publishing and connecting a domain is simple, and you still manage everything through hPanel, so it stays organized in one place. Now, the other product under the websites category is Hostinger Horizons. This is their AI tool where you can create basic web apps and websites by chatting with AI. It has improved a lot since launch, but right now it can still be hit or miss. Sometimes small edits cause bigger rebuilds than you want, and it can break things in the process. So if you're trying to build something more web app oriented, I'd use a more polished tool like Base44 for now. So here's the quick verdict. I recommend the Hostinger website builder for most non-e-commerce sites. For e-commerce, I'd lean towards WooCommerce or Shopify. And Horizons is improving, but I'd treat it as an experimental bonus tool and not the main way I'd build something important.